Difference between inflation and deflation. Inflation and deflation represent opposite economic conditions affecting the general price level of goods and services. Inflation occurs when prices rise over time, reducing the purchasing power of money. It results from increased demand, higher production costs, or expansionary monetary policies like excessive money supply. Moderate inflation encourages spending and investing, stimulating economic growth. However, prolonged or high inflation erodes savings, disrupts financial planning, and creates uncertainty in the economy. Deflation, on the other hand, is a sustained decrease in prices, leading to increased purchasing power. This often arises from reduced consumer demand, excess supply, or restrictive monetary policies. While falling prices initially seem beneficial, deflation can severely harm economic growth. Consumers and businesses may delay spending and investment, anticipating even lower prices. In summary, inflation reduces money's value, prompting immediate spending but potentially destabilizing long-term economic health. Deflation increases money's value but discourages spending and investment, harming economic growth. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video.